Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video we have learned TuxPaint tool. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now in this video we will study about Introduction to MS Word 2010. Students, now in this lesson you will learn opening MS Word 2010. Components of MS Word: creating a document, saving a document, opening a saved document, closing a document, exiting MS Word 2010. Microsoft Word is a program that helps you to type words on a computer. This program helps you to write essays, letters, poems and much more. Several versions of MS Word are available, such as MS Word 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 and 2019. How to open Microsoft Word 2010? Open a Word document by following the given steps. Number 1. Once the computer is on, click on the Start button. Select all programs. Number 3. Click on the Microsoft Office folder. Number 4. Select Microsoft Word 2010. After following all the steps, Microsoft Word 2010 window appears as shown below. Let us observe the components of MS Word 2010. Fun fact: MS Word was formerly known as Multi-Tool Word. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar appears at the upper left corner of the MS Word 2010 window. It contains buttons for commonly used options such as Save, Undo and Redo. Next one, Title Bar. The title bar appears on the top of the MS Word 2010 window. It displays the name of the program and the active document. Next, ribbon. The ribbon appears below the title bar. It is divided into tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. Each tab has several groups. These groups contain various options used in MS Word 2010. Next, ruler. The ruler measures the length and width and shows the margins. Next one, scroll bar. The scroll bar is a long thin strip with arrows and a sliding section at the edges of the window. There are two scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar. It is used for shifting the screen display left or right. Vertical scroll bar. It is used for shifting the screen display up or down. Next one, work area. The work area is the area in the document window where you type the text. Next, cursor. The cursor is the blinking vertical line in the work area that shows the location. Next one, status bar. The status bar displays the page number, word count, language, page layout and zoom slider. View button. MS Word 2010 has view buttons like print layout, full screen, reading, web layout, outline and draft. You can view the page on which you are working in any of these formats by just clicking on the buttons directly. Zoom slider. You can zoom in to get a close-up view of your file or zoom out to see more of the page at a reduced size. How to create a new document in MS Word 2010. The steps to create a new document are given below. Number 1. Click on the File tab from the ribbon. Number 2. Select the New option from the left pane. Number 3. Click the blank document from the templates that appears. A new document opens. Every new document has a default name, document 1. When you open subsequent documents, they will be named as document 2 and so on. MS Word 2010 offers many ready-made templates to choose from. How to save a document in MS Word 2010. In order to save your document in a new location, follow the steps given below. Number 1. Click on the File tab from the ribbon and select the Save or Save As option from the drop-down list. Number 2. Select the location where the file is to be saved in the left pane. Type the name of the file in the file name text box. Number 3. Click on the Save button in the lower right corner of the dialog box. How to open a saved document in MS Word 2010. Follow these steps to open a saved document. Number 1. To open a saved document, click on the Open option from the File tab. Number 2. Select the file name to be opened from the Open dialog box that appears, or you may type its name in the file name text box. Number 3. Click on the Open buttons at the lower right corner of the dialog box. Number 4. If you have recently saved a document, click on the Reset button. It appears at the list towards the right of the drop-down list. Click on the particular document to open it. How to close a document in MS Word 2010. To close a document in MS Word 2010, click on the Close button on the upper right corner of the title bar. If the document has not been saved, a prompt box appears. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Number 1. Click on the File tab from the ribbon and select the Exit option from the drop-down list. Number 2. If the document has not been saved, a prompt box appears. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Students, in this lesson we learned cursor. It is the blinking vertical line in the work area. Dialog box appears to ask for information to be given to the computer. File tab consists of options such as Save, save as, print, etc. Horizontal scroll bar is used for shifting the screen display left or right. Quick access toolbar helps to directly save, undo or redo changes in the Word file while working on it. Status bar displays information about the current cursor position. Title bar displays the name of the program and the active document. Vertical scroll bar is used for shifting the screen display up or down. View buttons in the status bar like print out, print layout, full screen, reading, web layout, outline and draft help in changing the view of the page. Work area is the area in the document window where you can type the text. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.